going to take a look at the Passport SL series travel trailer. This one is the 199 MLWE, I believe it is. Comes with a power hitch. Pretty cool little setup. The dealer supplied it with 2 batteries and filled up both the propane tanks. You can access it either by pulling the cover off or through this little door right here. We've got the 2 tanks there. This unit comes pre-wired for a solar panel. What's nice about this one is it came with a 3-year structural warranty. I believe it's 10 years on the roof and 1 year on all the appliances. It's got a really nice door that just holds up with a magnet and pass-through storage. Come with a power cord, and they give the dealership I went through, Pan Pacific RV, and gave me this little starter kit, so that's pretty cool. It's got a nice little light right here so you can see what you're doing at night. And you also have power stabilization underneath it, so you just poke the button, it drops the stabilizers down, so you don't have to do any cranking. I did have them add on this handle here. That makes it a little bit easier for my wife. Once again, it is the 199 MLWE. Drop the handle down, step down. Anyway, welcome to it. We did some video earlier, so you'll see the outside of it a little bit. Sorry for the audio. We were outside next to the road. Also went over it with the drone, so we'll show a little bit of the drone footage of what the top looks like with the air conditioner. It's also got a amplified antenna for the television. Also Wi-Fi capable if you want to spend another $300. We got our cell phones. We're going to be fine with that. Wanted to bring you in and show you what it looks like all closed up. It does have a slide out. It's approximately, 2.5, 3 feet deep. With it closed up, you see there's plenty of room to walk through the unit. And you can actually get to the bathroom, to the refrigerator. You just have to do a little shuffle in, you're good to go. So if you're on the road and you're needing to get in here, you can definitely do it without having to take and fold everything out. To fold everything out, that's going to be done right up here on this control panel. This control panel's got our ceiling lights, porch light that shows has the water pump, water heater, both gas and electric. You can do both to simulate, I believe it's 18 gallons of water, of hot water. Otherwise, it's a 6-gallon hot water heater. Also has where it shows your battery strength. Going to be your fresh water, your black water, and gray water. The black 2 and gray 2 we don't have because that would be extra holding tanks. Also has a power awning. Where we're at right now, we can't really open it up. Hopefully we'll post some pictures later on of that. And then of course we have that's going to be the slide and then the awning. And then over here you can see the whole mechanism for the slide out, which is pretty cool that you can see all that. And I'll go ahead and poke the button while Calvin's filming. Thank you, Calvin, very much for filming it. And you can see it go to work. And once the slide out is out, you will see how much room this trailer actually has in it. It's going to be 19 feet on the inside from front to back. Outside, I believe it's 23 feet, 6 or 8 inches, something like that. It's just short of being 24 feet long on the outside. Of course, you can see how much room there is here. You have your U-shaped dinette here. You've got storage underneath both areas.
And a proper bit of storage while you're at it.
Yeah. So you got the same both areas there. This makes into a bed. Probably a little bit larger than a twin-size bed, so sleep at least 1 adult, 2 children. Pretty easy. 4 at night, or if you want some mood lighting, you can flip that switch on. That gives you a little light up down there.
Can we kill the main lights real quick and show what that looks like?
We sure can. Oh, let me turn that light off.
And also show them the night light while we're at it.
Yes, sir. So you got that light, and then there's also a night light down here that comes on by the door. So it's actually quite a bit of light in here. I did have the lights on there, but the door pretty much blocks that out.
No, that's really dope.
Yeah, It's pretty nice the way they got that set up. It's got push button lights. This light over here is also a motion sensor light. So you can set up so that one will just come on with motion and then it'll go off when there's nobody around. Kitchen area, we have a undermount stainless steel sink. My wife already put some stuff in here. Also has the spray nozzle that comes down. It's got a 3-burner propane stove with a glass top on it. And then it also has an oven. The cool thing about this is you do it that way, it gives you the lighting across the front. Do this one, and it lights up the oven as well. Which I've never been in an RV where it has a light up oven, so that's kind of cool.
That's pretty nice if you're cooking something.
Yeah. We also have a light underneath the oven hood, fan. Everything you're seeing right now is all 12 volt because I don't have any of the power hooked up to it right now. So as far as running an air conditioner, running the TV, or the microwave, we can't do, but we definitely have them. Got a little microwave right there. This is a AC and LP refrigerator. So you got the refrigerator and your freezer up top. Pretty cool.
Pretty decent size for the size of the vehicle.
Yeah. I was so used to having an air conditioner on top of the roof where you actually have to go up and do the dials on it. This one doesn't do that. This one is all controlled through the thermostat. So you take and you hit your thermostat, you can do an auto, and that'll keep the temperature wherever you want, or you can do it for cooling, or you can do it for heat. And whatever you have it set on that way, I can poke the button right here. Do it for auto, set the temperature for whatever you want. As you can see, we've got cooling ducts here, here, and inside the bathroom. The heating, I believe, is going to be through the floor vent, and then there's a couple vents throughout the coach that are along the, like the floorboards are. Storage, we have more underneath there. We have one underneath there, and of course, up above the sink as well. Which is where we have the owner's manual and everything. Then, let's show the Murphy bed. So this one has a Murphy bed. We've got a nice couch here. Plenty of storage underneath the couch if you want to store anything underneath it. Just release that latch up there. Release that latch there. And down comes a full-size, queen-size bed. This.
Lay on it to show the size.
I don't want to get my feet on it. It's brand new. I mean, it's a queen-size mattress. My feet don't hang off the end. The one that I have in the motorhome is supposed to be a queen-size mattress. Your feet stick out over the end of it. So it's pretty cool that it's a full-size queen-size mattress.
In a vehicle this tiny.
Yeah, which for two of us is going to be just fine.
Yeah, two of you and a dog.
Another thing too is right down that side you'll see that there is a ground interrupt plug along with 2 USB ports for charging phones. Nice closet right there. I don't remember that being there earlier.
Probably Beth put that in there.
I'm not sure. I don't think she put anything in there. Maybe we got something extra.
Drugs in here.
We better go through. I don't think I opened that closet at all yet.
We can watch the old footage.
No, honestly, we were only opening this one.
Oh gosh. Maybe that's where all the freebies are at.
Could be. Down here, of course, you have another plug. You also have more USB ports and a little hiding spot. It's got a little magnet catch on it.
And the super duper tiny fire extinguisher.
Yep. Which he said I think would put out, what, one donut if you're cooking one? And caught fire?
Maybe a taco if you're lucky.
Over here we have a AM, FM, HDMI, USB, Bluetooth stereo that also has speakers on the inside of the coach. It has speakers on the outside of the coach. And you can either have all of them run at once, or you can take and turn off the ones in here so it's just outside, or vice versa. 32-inch Polaroid TV comes with it. We have the sensor down there for propane or what was it? carbon monoxide. So it's supposed to beep if there's anything that way. Then the little mystery switch that nobody knew was, they found out that the switch is actually for a little light that's over by the waste tank, for the waste hookup. So that way at night you can see what you're doing. Pretty cool. Let's see, what else are we missing?
The fuse box.
Oh yeah, the fuse box. And that's another cool little thing here. So this pretty much is what converts your 110 to 12 volt, charges the batteries, all that kind of stuff, but also distributes power throughout the unit. You have all your 110 over here, which right now we don't have anything coming in. Over here are the fuses. If a fuse blows, let's just take one out. Let's say it blows, it's going to have a little light to let you know that that fuse blew.
Sure beats troubleshooting it going pull a fuse, put a fuse.
Exactly. Now if I can just put that in there without blowing anything up, there we go. And of course it's got a little see-through window so you can see that from a distance. Now for the bathroom. This is the room that pretty much sold my wife on this unit. We haven't used anything in here just yet, so this has plastic on the toilet seat. Toilet seat is plastic. Toilet itself is porcelain. Is that right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Ain't no rinky-dink plastic.
Yeah, it's not a plastic one. It's got a little bathtub in it. Shower is tall enough where I can stand in it, no problem at all. It does have a vent and a fan. Here's that other air conditioner vent I was telling you about. Once again, the lights are poke button. Over here you got your little sink. You got storage underneath that sink. You have storage beside the sink. There's that other heat vent I was telling you about. Medicine cabinet. And the whole reason why we ended up getting it. My wife saw that. And it was done. She's like, she had never seen a closet this size inside a smaller travel trailer. Not to mention look down. It goes down, what, another foot and a half?
At least. This is hard to film because it's dark, but...
Yeah, it's insane how big that is. I mean, that's what sold my wife on the unit. So it's like, I keep her happy. Whatever she wants, she gets.
Extra hard now.
The job I'm at now, I need to get away. I need to start kind of unwinding because I'm just getting too wound up, I think. So this is a good opportunity to force me to take some time, go fishing, do something to get away from the house, get away from everything for a little bit. And this trailer hopefully will help me do that. But yeah, it was a big step. This unit from, we bought it from Pan Pacific RV. It is a Keystone product. And on their website, I think it listed at $27,500, something like that. Everywhere we went, this thing was over 30,000 bucks, straight up. So I got a phone call from David the other day, and he's like, "Hey, you know one of those units you're looking at? There is a rebate going on," and it brought it back down to the 27,000. So that's where we started at on it. But right now, with the way things are going completely out of control with COVID and everything, as far as RV prices and everything, you cannot find used RVs on the market right now. They're all just gone. And all the new ones, they're having a hard time keeping them on the lots because they're just blowing them out like crazy.
Easy.
Which is why eventually I want to either get a solar panel set up with inverters or get a generator that will be one of those really quiet generators so that we don't have to go to those areas where you have to have the hookups because those are going to be the first ones taken.
You go to like a national forest or something like that.
Yeah. So, I mean, that's an idea, but right now, I just want to go fishing. Coyote Lake right now has reservations, so I'll be there on Monday.
Enjoying yourself, and you deserved it, man.
Oh, man. But,
Totally deserved it.
yeah, I like this one. This, for being 19 feet on the inside, look at how much room there is.
It's
huge. Insanely big, and it's all because of that slide out. If it wasn't for that slide out, this would be a very small unit. But that slide out, it makes all the difference in the world. Anyway, guys, thank you very much for joining me. Thank you for watching. And please like, share, subscribe. Yeah, we need to make some money to pay this thing off. Thank you, Calvin, for videoing. And I'll catch you in the next one.